Okay, we've let this set up dry so it won't slide on us. So now we're going to add this other piece. Then this piece, we'll let this set overnight because we've got to cut this back part off, so you want to make sure you have a good bond before you do that. And again, when you put your clamps on, you just want to make it a little snug at first until you got your alignment situated where you want it. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section and I'll get back with you. And we'll wipe off that excess glue and we'll let it set up. Thanks for watching.